Welcome back to our tutorial series on setting up master data in Zometric's online real-time SPC software. In the last video, we covered work units. In this video, we'll walk through how to configure production equipment, or, when specific equipment isn't applicable, a process instead. Before we proceed further, let's first understand what qualifies as production equipment or a process in Zometric. A production equipment refers to a specific machine setup, workstation, or fixture in a production line that actively transforms input materials into output. However, in some cases, transformation isn't tied to a particular machine or workstation. Instead, the name of the process performing the transformation can be used. One key distinction: activities that don't transform, assemble, or disassemble materials, like automated visual inspection or manual measurements, are not considered production equipment or processes. Do not add them here. Now, back to the software. Start by opening the Zometric Real-Time SPC module. Then, go to Menu, Configure, Production Equipment. Click on Add Production Equipment in the top right corner of the page. Enter a unique name for the equipment or process. The description is optional. Select the work unit it belongs to from the dropdown. Fill in any additional details, then click Save in the bottom right corner. And that's it. You've successfully set up a production equipment or process in Zometric. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll discuss parts, also known as materials or items, depending on your industry. See you there.